Today, we are talking about something that is popping up everywhere, AI content. What counts as original content and what is considered an AI spam? What's the difference between original work and AI spam? Let's break it down so you know how to create content that is safe and stands out. But before that, what exactly is AI content? AI content is anything created using AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E. These tools generate words, images, or video based on prompts you give them. The contents can look very real, but always remember, AI doesn't think. Also, it doesn't know anything. It just predicts patterns from stuff it was trained on. So, without your input or guidance, AI contents can feel cold, generic, or even wrong. With that out of the way, let's start with what counts as original AI content. First, you guide the AI with a smart personal prompt. You ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about AI tools that can help you as a fashion designer. Then you edited the output a lot. You didn't just copy and paste. You rewrote it, rearranged it, and then added your own voice. You then added real examples, stories, or case studies. If it happened to you, it's original and that's something AI cannot fake. You may be an expert in the field, so you will need to double check facts to make sure the work is free from errors, is accurate, and up to date. Fix any issue before you publish on whatever platform. You combine tools creatively. Example, maybe you used AI to write a raw script. Then you animated it, recorded your own voice, and added real footage. That's creative and original because no one can generate the exact content without you guiding them. Now, let's talk about what may count as AI spam and what you want to avoid. 1. You published a content directly from AI with zero changes or editing. Example, if it looks and sounds like every other AI post, or you don't check fast, grammar, or flow, that's a red flag. 2. You upload tons of low quality stuff fast. For example, you upload 50 AI ebooks or video in 1 month. No editing, no depth, just quantity to rank or make money. That's spammy and therefore a red flag. You make video with robotic voice and slideshows hoping to go viral. No real human input. Just auto-generated script and stock visuals. The robotic voice especially is a no-no for most platforms. Or you use clickbait titles for AI-made content that doesn't deliver. You mislead people with clickbait just for clicks without delivering what you promise on the title or thumbnail. Platforms like YouTube and Google dislike that. Or you don't add anything new. You don't add anything of value, just content for the sake of content. Or if someone else could generate the same result with the same prompt, then it won't be considered original. That's what we call AI spam. Content made only to trick the system, not to help real people. Now you might be thinking or say, what is the big deal? Well, here's the problem. 1. If you publish your content on YouTube, you can get demonetized or never get monetized. 2. If you publish on Google, your blog post might lose traffic or disappear from Google. Amazon could also ban your KDP account if you are into KDP. People will stop trusting your content, and without trust, you may struggle with growth. Now, platforms are already using AI detectors and human moderators to check for spammy uploads. Now that we know the difference between original content and AI spam, what can we do as creators to make sure our content doesn't get flagged as spam but be considered original, safe, and creative even if we use the help of AI? 1. Use AI as a starter, not the finisher. Let the AI give you the idea, but you should be the one creating the content. 2. You should always edit and rewrite what the AI gives you. Use your voice, make it personal. Also, always add your own experience. skills, opinion, or example to make your content more valuable. Focus on helping people and not just posting. Mix AI with real content, example, your face, your voice, or footage. Learn how the tool works so you can use them better than others. Be creative. Combine tools in new ways. Build from the idea you got. Don't just copy and paste. AI is a great tool, but it's just that, a tool. Use it wisely. Add your own touches and make it your own. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI and tech content. See you in the next one. Bye bye.